Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add height in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. At the top left lies your profile button. Simply click on it and this page will open up. Right now we want to add our height, so that means we need to edit our info. Simply click on this edit info button right here and this page will open up. Do note that I have scrolled down. Once you've scrolled down, right under passion, you will see something like height. Do notice that I have already added height. In case you have not, simply click on the button just below height and this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options to actually enter your height. As you can see, I have already entered it. I'm gonna enter it right again. The height unit can be in feet, inches or in centimeter. It's up to you. Well guys, once you have added everything, simply click on done. Once everything's okay, let's simply hit on save. And there you go. Your height has been added to your Tinder profile. It's as easy as that guys. That's how you add your height or update it in Tinder PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.